Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we talked yesterday. Rallies continue to be sold. Daily mid-band open. Well, there you go. Daily mid-band. 52. We traded as low as 36 overnight. We had weekly pivot resistance up above, which I talked about into the close. I actually didn't short it until this little pause at 66.5. We did a short against 66.5, and that took us down into the 30s. Took advantage of most of the move. I mean, I wasn't awake for 30, but 35 or 35.75 or whatever it was. But what we're doing now is we're testing the daily midband from up above. And as long as the daily midband holds, then you're going to want to see the bears continue to progress down to lower lows. If that's the case, then what you'll see is this progression. You'll see the daily midband seal off as resistance. And then you have the potential to go and do the lower band down at 26.96 or wherever it happens to be as a function of time when things happen to get there. If the daily midband does not want to be resistance today, if the bulls can close above it, then you're looking at a retest of anywhere from 66 to 81. And you know they'll have to pick up the pieces. The bears have to pick up the pieces of that when it's all over. So the bears have an opportunity. The bulls had an excellent opportunity yesterday and the day before to take things higher and retest the 27.96 resistance area. They did not take advantage of that. Didn't take advantage of it at all. And if that's the case, then now now the bears have their opportunity. Can the bears take advantage? Well, they've got a decent start, but they've laid down effectively from 35.75 up to 52, 53 and change, 54. They're going to have to rectify that when we get into the regular session. So it remains very much up in the air, but the bottom line is the bears have an opportunity, and it was a nice little trade for the move down to the daily midband, which we discussed yesterday morning. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll be out on social with a few things. Until then, trade them well. Talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.